Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in today's tutorial we will learn how to reorient an imported IGES file in SolidWorks, especially when your model planes or coordinate system is not aligned properly. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. Here you can see I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's open the IGES file. And here I will change it to IGES. And here is the file, planes not correct. And I'll open it. I will select no. First of all, I will change its background to plain white. Okay. And now you can see the problem. You can see the planes are not aligned. Okay. You can see here as well. And you can see on the top as well. And when I go to these planes, front plane, you can see top plane and right plane. These planes are not aligned. Okay. So basically this problem rises when you are editing step file or IGES file and the coordinates or planes are not aligned with the geometry. So for this we will create a new coordinate system, and sometimes we can directly create a coordinate system by selecting this vertex and then selecting these edges. But for this tutorial I will create this coordinate system by using some reference sketches. So for this I will go to here sketch, and here you can see that I cannot select this face. So for this I will use a 3D sketch, and here we will create a reference 3D sketch like this, and we will create one line here for the z-axis, and I will close this sketch. And I will hide this geometry. Now we will establish another coordinate system. So go to here features, reference geometry, coordinate system. Here you can see that the current coordinate system is here. So I will create another coordinate system. So for the origin I will select this vertex. For the x-axis I will select this line. For the y-axis I will select this line. And for the z-axis I will select this line, and I will reverse this direction, and I will select OK. Now you can see that a new coordinate system is established. I will show this 3D object, but still you can see that planes are tilted. Okay. So for this, for fixing this, I will go to here save as, and here I will rename it as, let's say, planes are correct. And I will change its file type to step. Let's change it to step file. Here is the most important step. Go to here options, and here I will change it from default coordinate system to coordinate system 2, and I will select OK. Select save. Now the planes will be aligned, and I will close this file. Select don't save. I will go to here open, and then I will open this file, planes are correct. I will select no, and here I will select this option, Z up orientation views, or apply Z up views. Select yes. I will change it to plain white, and here you can see that planes are aligned. You can see here as well, front plane, top plane and right plane, although the top plane is not at the center of this geometry, but it will work for us. So that's how you can align your coordinate system or planes while working with the IGES file or step file. Here is an important message, as some of the students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any questions, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.